this is a very simple tool that will help you with your white balance and your ISO. Is this gray card. This gray card is going to allow you to calibrate your camera so that it has the middle gray, which is this color right here is middle gray, is 18% gray, and this allows you to calibrate the ISO of your camera, and also it helps you with the white balance, because it also has on the other side, it has a white surface so that you can also calibrate and do the white balance. So this gray card, this is how it comes. It's the Impact Quick Balance card, right? And this is a cool thing about it, right? You should always have these gray cards, right, and white balance cards. You should always have them with you, because if you want to improve your workflow, right, and make sure that you don't have to do a lot of color correcting in post, you want to assure that you have a great ISO white balance, and that all your exposure is set correctly. So this is why a lot of people come with these to the side. And the perfect thing about this is that you go like this, it folds, comes with the carrying pouch, and then you can put it in your bag, and this is going to be a lifesaver when you're doing external takes in outdoors. Okay, so you get there, you set up your camera. If you're using a tripod, you set it up. If not, you get the camera. You get your subject to open this. You put this close to the subject, and you do your white balance using this. You custom set the white balance in one of your buttons, and you put this to where your subject is going to be, and you do your white balance correctly. So check it out. Impact has many different really good products to help you with your video recording.